Okay, that's unnerving. Run! Oh, perfect. She destroyed the ships. We gotta find another way out the station.
What was that alien-looking thing?
No idea, but I get the feeling it could kill us with its brain, so, keep running.
Jack, what the hell is going on? I'm getting reports of alarms all across Helios.
Nothing, sir. Nothing. Everything's fine. Just, one of the claptrap units tried to French kiss the light socket.
Need I remind you that you are there to observe Pandora, nothing more. If you incur any damages to the Helios space station, I will personally...
Sorry, sir. We're losing connection.
What?
I called you an asshole because I thought I'd hung up. My bad.
We will speak again, John.
There's Elvis. That friggin' jamming signal is somewhere down that cracked rock, messing up all the cool security stuff up here. Son of a... Hey! Why the hell are you attacking us, you dick?
I want this station, and I want to save the universe.
You're boring me deathless! Oh, crap!
Gas in, Mr. Cop!
Chill out! Freaking lunatics!
How's that shield holding up? What are these maniacs doing? You don't even want a real military up here. They're just
Murdering workers, and us, if we don't move it.
Okay, well, I've got a stupid idea. We're gonna head to that moonshot cannon. Follow me.
So, what are we doing? Something with a cannon?
Basically a huge gun that shoots supplies down to the moon's surface like at about 1,000 miles an hour. We're gonna get in one of those containers and escape that way.
Is that safe?
I don't know. Be a pretty cool way to die though, huh?
They're at the moonshot cannon! Move in!
I've got that
You had no idea why these doll guys wanted Jack dead? I had suspicions. Money, revenge. That said, whoever needed a reason out here.
still, burning up. Man, that guy really likes fire. Elevator's over there. Let's go.
This is kind of exciting.
Yeah, our story just began with us getting off a bus. This sounds all explosive and stuff.
Stop complimenting the prisoner.
Let's go! Elevator! We can get to the moonshot up there. Let me get the elevator. Damn it, somebody's jamming the elevator up there. All right, weird idea. Let me work the loading terminal. Watch your step. That'll be a hell of a fall.
No problem. I'm real good at not falling off stuff. Let's get moving.
Hold on, I'm gonna spin the cylinder. Make it up there? Free up the elevator so I can join you. You got wedged in tight. No big deal though, they can't feel pain. Just bash them out of there. Oh, these loaders bum me out. It's no wonder Dahl took us over so easily. I need more soldiers. Badasses, like you.
We made it. We just gotta get into a moonshot.
Greed of Hyperion shall not...
After we kill this asshole!
Healing overburdened by money.
Saved my life. Now we just gotta... for what the auto shock controls are damaged. Someone's gotta stay back and launch the pods manually. I'd suggest Wilhelm, but I need you there on Elvis Kraken Skull.
What was that? I wasn't listening.
All right, new plan. I'll stay behind. I need you down on the moon. You gotta find that... signal and shut it down. Otherwise, we'll never get control of the moon base and we can kiss that vault goodbye.
You really gonna stay? I better get paid if you bite it.
Now you saved my life a couple of times. I'm repaying the favor. Besides, I'm a hero, baby. Self-sacrifice is part of the job. Oh, good. A health machine. I had one put in here after a worker had an accident and lost his torso. Better heal up before you trip down to the moon. Might want to grab some ammo too. Supplies over here. We need to get a moonshot container up here. Normally we'd load some supplies, but this time you're the cargo.
container ought to do the trick.
So the container's all ready. Just get into it.
This doesn't seem safe.
Yeah, I'll see you after you shut down that jamming signal. Come on, hurry. We gotta get to Elpis and find that jamming signal. Cool, I'm close to the container. Watch your limbs. Loading you into the delivery chamber. This is gonna be loud. It's slightly awesome.
You're telling me Jack, Handsome Jack, the guy who murdered my boyfriend, stayed behind while you escaped?
Like hell.
Whether his decision was heroic or purely strategic, I can't say. But if Jack hadn't stayed behind to eject the pod, I might well have died on Helios.
Your story is making Handsome Jack kind of sympathetic. I hate it.
All right, we're ready to fire. Whenever you're ready, I'll shoot you to Concordia. It's the biggest town on Elpis. I know someone there who can help you find that jamming signal.
There he is! Open fire! Oh, crap.
Hello? 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 Thought you might be salvage. You're about to die. You okay? Well, I can answer that. You're not okay. The second you open this door, all the oxygen is going to vent and you're going to suffocate. It'll hurt a lot and your eyes will pop like grapes when the pressure differential gets too harsh. So, here's my plan. When you're ready, open the door and follow me to my oxygen bubble. Sound good? Don't answer. Conserve your oxygen. Over here.
This way. Don't think about the grapes thing.
Nearly there.
It'd be embarrassing if you died now. Everybody good? Nice to meet ya. I'm Janie Springs, junk dealer. Who are you?
Wilhelm.
I like your cybernetic eye. And beard. So what are you doing here?
Trying to get back to Helios. There's a jamming signal around here we gotta take care of first, though.
A jamming signal? Haven't noticed anything like that. You might want to get to Concordia. A little city run by a fella called the Merif. Got to be somebody there who can help you. You'll need an O2 kit, Oz kits we call them, to survive the journey though. I've got some broken ones stashed nearby, but I can repair them for you. Even if you ain't the breathing type, you'll be glad you've got an Oz kit. Head to these coordinates and clear the place out.